September at 4 p.m. in this chamber. And for now, while we will ask other stakeholders to excuse us, including the media houses, we will remain with the councillors and aldermen of the city of Bulawayo so that we can make some formal presentations. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Good day.
Siyabe sibanengi sicela liye City Hall, siyabe sibanengi kakhulu ngeTuesday. Sicela City Hall ngeTuesday siyabe sigcwele lapha sikwande. Hambisene City Hall. Lapha sikwande lisivalela phandle. Kanti ukuthi uya City Hall ngeTuesday lapha kasikwande lisivalela phandle. NgeTuesday siyabuya si300 sicela lisise City Hall. Sonalo kulila ezela no anjini